Yo, what is good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. Now, so today, I mean, been a long time. No, it's been a long time since the last time na nag-react tayo, nanonood tayo ng Casual Chuck video, no? And hindi ko na-expect that this is going to be a Casual Chuck video, actually, because this is, by the way, a request reaction. Someone requested na mag-react tayo dito, no? Title nun is SB19 Try Not to React Challenge 2024. I mean, we're a bit late to the party, no? But at least, I mean, it's better to be late than, very, very late. But, yeah. So, and pag-search ko nga sa kanya, it's a Casual Chuck video. So, nagulat din ako. Nagulat din ako sa nangyari. So, I'm really excited with this. SB19 Try Not to React. I don't know if makakaya natin because we're doing a reaction right now. So basically we have to react, right? We have to react. This is Try Not to React. So kailangan ba naka stone face lang ako, poker face lang. Ganun. Are we going to put a life? Okay, so we have 3 lives. Okay, I've decided we have 3 lives since it's a challenge. We're not going to react. So, ano bang consider natin hindi reaction? Like, papangiti? Pag nangiti ka ba, is it a reaction? Or like, magulat, like, pang thumbnail na mukha. Ganun. Paano ba? Kailangan ba poker? I don't know, man. Ano ba? Paano ba? React. Try not to react. Just okay, so we're just poker face. Okay, poker face, stone face. So I mean, kung sino gusto sumali, I mean, comment down below after this video. Kung again, we have 3 lives. Okay, 3 lives lang. Most probably napanood nyo na to, no? So medyo mas matindi yung sa akin. Pero maybe bawasan din yung lives nyo, no? Maybe this is I don't know, maybe this is the first time that you're going to watch this with me. But yeah, I mean, ang dami kang dadaan. Without no further ado, let's try not to react.
What is the color of the house behind them? Don't.
Mabilis na pangyayari. Sorry, hindi counted yun kasi tapos yung video. Ang bilis na pangyayari. Paano ko makikita ko ng bahay? May bahay pa sa likod? I'm sorry, mandadaya tayo. First 7 seconds lang naman. Hindi ko alam. Wala bahay. Meron.
What is the color of the house behind them? Don't review. No cheating. It's yellow.
Okay. No cheating daw. I feel like kinausap tayo ni Casual Talk doon in real time. Sorry.
Dummy, it's time for another game. Again, you have 5 lives. You lose.
Oh, it seems like we have 5 lives. Okay. Alright. So, okay. Alright. So, iibahin na natin. So, akala ko noon na 3 lives lang. So, we have 5 lives.
One if you do anything other than keeping a straight face and breathing. The rules are simple.
Okay. So, that's okay. Hindi ko alam kung ba't nag-isip pa tayo ng kung ano-ano kanina i-explain pa ni Casual Chuck. So, alright. Okay. Down. Okay.
Okay. So I hope you make it. Enjoy.
Ikaw ang pinakagwapo sa SB19, di ba?
Hindi ko i-claim yan, boss.
Nako, sasabihin ko, ikaw pinakagwapo.
Wait. I'm not reacting sa video, okay? Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, kamukha siya ni Ken dito. Ayun, no? Di ba? Kasi nakatakip yung Sorry. Kasi parehas yung, alam mo, parang matalas yung mata. I don't know, maybe that because of the eyeliner. Pero ganun nga. What is this? Is this going to be a...
3. Phone is buzzing up, beep beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone.
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm not... Okay, sige, nabawasan ko yung, yung lives. And just realized, I never actually listened to the song of Josh and Al James. Nakita ko si Al James eh. A glimpse of Al James there. So, I just remember, like kung, like kung pinaplano, pero nakakalimutan ko pag every time na mag-shoot na. Because of, we have a lot of requests. Maybe after this video.
Before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it, fall. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away.
Okay. Now I know what type of video is this. I mean, for me, why? By the way, wait a minute. Why? Why did you? Bakit na-request nyo to sa akin? I mean, hindi ko sinasabing wag, pero yeah, I mean maybe because sasabihin ko sana most probably this is going to be like bunch of thirst trap video na kinompile, no? Like, being like Josh being sexy. I mean, hindi naman ako maiinganyo sa kaseksihan ni Josh, no? Pero I mean, for me, I mean siguro maiinggit because again, I already yap about this with my fitness journey and all of that, and we all know that Josh is one of the member of SB19 na ripped, man. He's fucking ripped. But yeah, I mean, I guess we can say na makapag-react pa rin ako. So what I said.
Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, nagulat lang ako. Kailan nangyari to? What the hell? Hila ako nakakita ng what the hell? Kailan nangyari to? I'm sorry. Sige, 3 lives na lang tayo. Fuck yeah, man. Pero kailan nangyari to? I cannot react. O, hindi ko pa sabihin sa huwag ako mag-react. This is the first time na nakita ko like one of the member of SB19 or I mean Josh specifically naggumawa ng parang ganito ka-sexy na I assume they are dancing na choreo may kasamang babae, no? Okay?
Run away. Run away.
Nangati lang yung mata ko.
Run away.
What the fuck? ah. 2 lives. Okay. Okay. I see now. Casual Jack. I see what you're doing. Okay. That's fucking unhinged. That's fucking unhinged. Just Josh tatanggalin yung belt para ipalo. Come on, man. That's some dominatrix. Ayoko tumingin sa camera kasi I feel like, alam mo yung pakiramdam na pag tumitingin ka sa mata ng tao, matatawa ka. So, dati pa talaga parang hulmadong-hulmado yung abs ni, ni Josh, no? May mga ganun kasing tao talaga, no? Na parang, kasi hindi ganun kataas yung body fat nila. Yung di ba may mga ganun mga payat na parang hulmadong-hulmado yung nila. So, I assume ganun talaga yung build ni, ni Josh. At the same time, nag-workout pa siya. So, hindi masyado na-emphasize or lumabas yung abs niya. Pero, as you can see, even dati, naalala nyo yung parang showbiz na nag-swimming sila. Na hindi pa ganun kalaki yung, naalala ko, di ba? I don't know if this is that season 2. Yung nag-swimming sila. May abs na si Josh nun eh. Pero medyo payat pa yung mga braso niya.
Run away, run away, rumble, run away.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Pwede ba akong ngumiti pag pinaus ko yung video? Pwede ba yun? Dapat pala nag-live na lang tayo. Sinabi na natin sa live natin. Parang tatatanong pa tungkol sa no? Sa mechanics. Whew. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawa ni Justin to, no? Pero every time na like nagbabago yung mukha niya no? Parang kaya niya maging like ganito. Like, alam mo yung nagbabasa sila mga nagbabasa ng manhwa, mga ganun. Or maybe sige kahit manga. I mean kasi may iba sila nang nagagalit na wag daw sila kumpara sa anything about Korean. I don't know why. Anong masama doon? But yeah, I mean, I don't fucking care. Manhwa, di ba? Kasi maraming mas mahilig gumawa yung manhwa ng masasabi mong poging itsura kaysa sa manga, no? Ng lalaki. Like solo leveling, right? Parang ganun itsura niya ngayon, para siyang protagonist na bida ng isang regression na manhwa. And merong times na mukha siyang napaka-innocent, no? I don't know paano niya ginagawa yun, no? Nag-iiba yung mukha niya, nag-iiba yung aura niya. What the hell? Okay. Shit! 3 minutes pa lang tayo. Okay, so react na ba pag gumanon yung mata mo? Nagulat. I guess. Sinabi ko na, nagulat. So, it's a reaction. Alright. Okay, so ako nang, muna sa sarili ko. Humuli. Sige. Pablo. Reacting to it. I wanna react so much. Bakit ko binalik? Forward natin. What the hell? What is this dominatrix thing? What is this dominatrix thing? Bakit naghuhubad sila ng belt? Ha? Tapos ipapalo sa'yo sa ano? Yung parang pagbabantaan ka sa harap ng camera. Main visual, 100%. 101%. Main visual. Yung inggit ko sa mukha ni Justin, hanggang dun na sa outer space, man. Nako. Ganito lang mukha ko, I will dominate the world. Hindi ka madawa sa sarili ko. Bakit talaga sa akin ni Mama Bo? By the way, I just wanna say, grabe yung payoff nung niya, no, after nung brace niya, no? Grabe yung payoff. Grabe talaga yung magagawa sa'yo ng magandang at maayos na ng ngipin, no? Kasi parang yung itsura ni Pablo doon is dati, because he is actually a good looking guy, no? But now, I mean, alam mo yun, parang nakaka-ines and unfair na yung maganda na yung itsura na tapos nag-glow up pa. Like, what the hell? Options pa rin. Diba? Told you, the long hair is the way. I don't know why nagpagupit ako. But oh my god. Gusto ko nahingit ako sa buhok ni Pinuno. Sisi ako. Oh shit. Shit. The Aura King. The Aura King is here now. Oh. Hinuli pa nila yung dalawang Aura Farmer na member ng SP19. Okay. Like, sa lahat ng member ng SB19, I mean, I'm not saying this in the wrong way, okay? But kay Stella ako pinaka naiingit, no? Like, sa mukha, sa glow up, sa katawan, kung paano nag-improve yung katawan niya. Dancing, I already told you guys before, I'm actually dancing before, but I'm never actually continue doing it. I'm actually teaching choreography before sa mga elementary nga lang, no? Pero yeah, so I mean, what I'm trying to say is nagiging ko siyang motivation ngayon na I mean, kung kaya nga ni Stella, ba't ako hindi, right? Like hindi mo natin magawa yung pagbirit, no, pero at least yung sa katawan kaya naman siguro, kasi I feel like naniniwala ko na lahat naman ng tao kaya basta meron kang disiplina, 'di ba? So I mean, Stella is like right now one of my hindi counted yun one of the inspiration kung bakit I mean I'm trying to be disciplined and consistent. Yeah, but here we go. I'm sorry, akala ko si Jose Manalo. What did I? Okay, alright, so now it makes sense. Maybe this is a challenge. Itong belt na challenge na to, maybe this is a challenge. Okay, we survived that. I mean, I feel like there's a lot of stealth video out there na mas daring, you know? But yeah, I mean, I'm glad. I'm glad. But we have Ken now, so we have one live, so
I've been waiting all night.
Sakuragi.
Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. You, what we do, it stays.
By the way, the song though, man. The song, man. Speaking to me. I'm sorry. Di mo, yung cowboy, no? Tas, naalala ko yung sa Magic Mike. I'm sorry. We just lost, man. 2 minutes na lang eh. Shit. Man.
And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy. And if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah. Me and
To our farmers, man.
what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you. What we do,
Moonlight.
stays between me.
By the way, I just want to say, Moonlight is still fucking rocks, man. Still fucking slaps, man. Just listen to it earlier before I start shooting. Right now, I'm not shooting, like shooting this video. Because I'm eating earlier. Akala namin kumain na ako bago mag-reaction. No? Bago na ang routine natin ngayon kasi nahihirapan ako eh. So, nakikinig ako doon. No? Still bangs, man. Edit though, man. Wala na. I'm just reacting right now. Talo na tayo. Wala tayong magagawa.
It stays
Superior Son, man.
me and you.
Ooh, the Superior Son. Rockstar. Wait. Are you saying this, Charlie? That's a 2023 version of this? Huh? That's a 22. So are we expecting to have a 2025 casual jog? Alright, well, again, that's SB19 Try Not to React Challenge 2024 by Casual Jog. I mean, comment down below kung may natira bang buhay sa inyo, no? I mean, I assume na ilang beses na napanood to. Most probably. Baka nga iba dyan, illegal na eh. Yung ilang beses nilang inulit, replay, no? Pinos muna saglit, tapos tinitigan muna bago yung basang-basa ka na. Comment down below kung may natirang live sa inyo. Kung wala, I mean, come on, Zero Live Gang, hashtag Zero Live Gang, hashtag mga talo, let's go. But that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mag-glass with yung artist and singer, rapper, song na get tayo din then, just comment down below. And, I mean, that's it for today, man. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome and peace.